Hi, my name is Trent Novelli with Allie Williams, Carmen King, and we are here at the Mebane Community Park at the Woodlawn entrance. We are building 50 additional spaces here at the Woodlawn entrance to accommodate more parking. We bid out the project in February. We had 6 bidders, the winning bid being 7 Group Development, LLC, for a price of $652,222.50. We got that approved by council in March, and we began the project in April. We plan to have the pavement down and get cleaned up towards the end of August, with landscaping going in the later part of the fall. During construction of this project, we completed various erosion control measures involving silt fence and grading towards new bioretention structures that we were installing, which involved curb construction, which increased flume rates to allow water to drain into our bioretentions. We added stone so that we can grade to eventually move on to pavement, and the final project will be a paved parking lot involving the 50 spaces. Out of the 50 parking spots, 3 of the spots will be handicap parking as we meet ADA regulations for our sidewalk and paving structures. In addition to the construction installation, there will be safety measures put in place. We'll be having lighting fixtures installed here on the northwest side of the Mebane Community Park, along with a mechanical gate that will restrict entrance to the park during the nighttime hours. Now we're going to take you over to see the progress at the Holt Street Greenway. Follow me.
Good afternoon. My name is Mark Reich, and I am with Allie Williams, Carmen King, and the project engineer for the Holt Street Greenway project. This is a follow-up to the Greener Way Connect sequel that we had done previously back in the fall of last year. As a reminder, McQueen Construction Company was awarded this contract back in September by the council in the amount of $1,200,000. The project consists of constructing 3,615 feet of greenway, 120 feet of boardwalk, and 470 feet of a combination road / trail over off of Roosevelt Street. This project consists of several aspects of construction. We have erosion control, we have grading work, we have storm drainage pipe installation. We will have ABC stone put down as the base for the trail and an asphalt surface. The project begins here on 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒊𝒐𝒏 Street, and the project will tie back into the existing sidewalk on South 3rd Street near the South Mebane Elementary School. The project also will tie into the intersection of Roosevelt and Giles Street. Work to date has been for the erosion control, such as installation of silt fence, as you see here behind me, installation of silt fence outlets, which I don't see one in the photo here. We also have done grading work. It is probably about 20% complete. The majority of the storm drainage pipes have been installed. The completion date for this project is December 31st, 2024, and we hope to be completed before then. And the total length of the project will be approximately 0.8 miles. As you can see behind me, a load of material has been brought in, and another load is being brought in as we speak. The skid steer is being used to spread out the dirt. We put the dirt in approximately 8-inch depth layers, and then we use a compactor that you can see back over here to my right to use to compact the soil to the proper density for the roadway or for the trail. Okay, so now we're going to go over to the Lake Michael Way and the Lebanon Road connector. Now that we have left the Holt Street Greenway project, we are now here at the Lebanon Road sidewalk and trail connector. This project is going to extend a sidewalk or provide a sidewalk from Lake Michael Way back up around following Lebanon Road, and once we get up about 600 feet from here, we will then meander off and through the woods and connect to a concrete sidewalk that connects to Kayak Court. This project will consist of approximately 600 feet of 5-foot wide sidewalk, which begins here at the Lake Michael Way, and then an additional 800 feet of 8-foot wide trail will be installed east of where the sidewalk will terminate. It will connect to Kayak Court, an 8-foot wide concrete trail at Kayak Court. The cost of this project, originally awarded by the council in September of last year, was $597,169. We experienced a tremendous amount of undercut, and we had to go back in April and get a $100,000 change order to take care of the additional undercut that we encountered along the shoulder of this road and along the box culvert that is up here downstream of Lake Michael Dam. This area where I am standing has been filled, and we brought it up to the road elevation, and we have installed curb and gutter along the edge of the pavement, and we've also installed a guardrail to protect people walking along the sidewalk.
In addition to this project, the contractors installing the subdivision up the road, Tupelo Junction, are going to be installing a 10-foot multi-use path coming down across the roadway and down this side of the road and connecting to the Lebanon Trail connector. At this location, we will be installing 90 linear feet of 42-inch guardrail. In addition to the sidewalk that will be ending at this location, there's 780 linear feet of asphalt trail that will be installed going up towards Kayak Court. The conclusion of this project will be taking place up here at Kayak Court. It will be 870 linear feet of asphalt trail, and we expect the project to end around December 31st.
We hope you have enjoyed these 3 segments today for 3 different projects in the City of Mebane. Should you have any questions, please contact Franz Holt, the City Engineer. And we hope you find this to be positively charming.